Hi, this is Raj from Sportscars here. I've got a very special 718 Cayman GTS. It's a 4 litre. So this is the last naturally aspirated flat 6 with that 4 litre from the GT4, the 718 Cayman GT4, and also the Boxster Spider as well. A beautiful engine, and it produces 395 horsepower. It will do 60 in 4.4 because it's got the 6-speed manual, which is quite a rare thing on these cars. Makes it very engaging to drive. It's got the sports PASM suspension system, so it sits 10mm lower than a car with just the regular PASM system, and it has got thicker anti-roll bars and a more engaging drive as a result, and it does have a comfort and a sport mode for that suspension system. Now, as you can see, it's finished in silver, but it's Dolomite silver, so this is a very blue hued silver. It's a lovely metallic, and this car from new has had full front PPF, so it's got Topaz PPF on all of the front panels including the mirrors, and the rest of the car was ceramic coated from new as well. So this is literally as new as you can get. It's a November 2021 car. We bought it from the original owner, so it's got 0 previous owners on the V5. On the outside, it's specced with the 718 Sport 20-inch alloy wheels, and they're finished in satin black. They were also ceramic coated as well as the glass as well, and they've all 4 have just been fitted with new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's in the recent past, so they've got amazing amounts of tread depth on them. As you can see, there's the front. Discs and pads are also in great condition as well. I'll show you the rear as well. All the wheels are obviously unmarked. Discs and pads are in great condition as well. This car's only covered just, I think it's 14,800 miles in total. And it's been serviced by Porsche main dealer and then a Porsche specialist called Reason Porsche, who did that in September 2025, including all the bits that were due at that point, including spark plugs. But I'll go through the service history and all of the options and paperwork with the file that we produce in-house, which will come with the car and is available to view online. So on the outside, it's also specced with the electric folding sport design mirrors, which have the welcome LEDs on them, and also the auto dimming mirrors here, and also actually the rear view mirror in the cabin as well. It's got the GTS 4 litre badging down the sides as well, which is nice and subtle. And then this paintwork, which was a really nice choice from the list, the owner also specced a really complementary colour, graphite blue extended leather. So this has got extended leather across the dash, all across the doors with blue stitching. And then he also specced all of the trims, which are usually in galvano silver or carbon. He specced all of those to be in graphite blue as well, including this section here. So it's a very, very classy interior. The headline is Alcantara in black. The carpets are blue. It's got the original mats, and also from new it's had these overmats, the official Porsche overmats too. So those mats and everything are as new. He was very fastidious about keeping this car as new as possible. The seats are the 18-way adaptive hardback sport seats. So they have the adjustable knee supports, lumbar support as well, and also the bolsters go in and out as well. They're heated, and they were specced with the optional embossed headrests. And there's the backs, and these are very supportive. These are the most comfortable seats you could ever find from Porsche, because everything is fully electric, including the base being adjustable height-wise from the back and from the front independently, so you can adjust the angle to get super comfortable in them. They're also attached to the optional memory system, so the driver's side, it remembers the position on each key, and also 2 additional settings saved presets on the door. It will also remember the position of the steering wheel, which is got an electric adjustment to it, and also the position of the mirrors as well. And likewise, you can also select comfort access, so that when you take the key out of the ignition, when you park up, it will move the seat back, it will lift the steering wheel to make it easier to get in and out. And then when you put the key back in, put the ignition back on, it will move the steering wheel and the seat back to its original position, so you're ready to drive. The mirrors are folding, as I said, so that's the button. They can also fold on lock if you park on a street or in a parking bay. It's got auto lights as well as those auto dimming mirrors, and auto wipers as well as an option. It's got black belts and also the lovely GT Sport steering wheel, finished in that lovely graphite blue as well. Now it's got the, I think it's a lovely option, which is the climate control system. So that means you can just set the temperature and it will maintain that temperature. It's 2 zones, you can have a different temperature on each side of the cabin. It's got what's called the smoker's package, which obviously this car hasn't been smoked in, but it is a nice flourish because it basically tidies up that center console, doesn't have an open cubby to collect dust. It's got the tracker fobs, and as you can see, my phone is connected there because it's got the full CarPlay system. It's got BOSE as well, which is over 500 watts. And there's that lovely 6-speed gear stick there. Switchable sports exhaust, switchable sports suspension, and then it's got the Sport Chrono, so it's got the dashboard mounted clock and stopwatch and the Manatino style switch, which selects different drive modes at the touch of it, at the twist of a dial. Cruise control as well, full telephone module, full Bluetooth. So a beautiful interior. I'm going to start this car up because it does sound absolutely epic. Listen to that, that's with the sports exhaust open. It sounds absolutely ferocious. Those twin rear pipes that are slightly set apart under the number plate are finished in the black chrome, and this car absolutely flies. So balanced though, so composed with that Sport PASM suspension. So it has also got the full UK and Europe navigation, which is on a hard drive. So if you're going through Europe, you don't need to rely on your data. Say if you were running Waze or something, that also works, but you've also got the standby, the full Porsche system for UK and Europe. It's got Bluetooth, digital radio as well, CD player there as well. So there, it's just heated up. There's the cup holders. I mean, I can't emphasize enough how new this car is. It smells like a brand new Porsche. There's no scents or anything in this. This is as new. He kept it garaged all the time, and like I said, he had it fully protected from new, so there's no stone chips on the front, there's no scrapes or dings, and the interior is absolutely super box fresh. I'll just show you that bolster as well so you can see the leather hasn't gone shiny, it's stayed that sort of lovely satin sheen. Show you the really practical side of this car. So the mid-engine layout means that the engine, that 4-litre beautiful GT4 based engine, is in that panel, under that panel there. You've got storage cupboards either side, and then you've got that fully usable covered, because of this section here, covered rear hatchback. So it is a 2-seater hatchback, and that cover has also been fitted from new. So underneath it's absolutely perfect, lovely graphite blue in there, and then black on this part here. And when you close that, you can't see what's in that section there, so everything stays secure and out of sight. It has got front and rear parking sensors, which I'm not sure whether I've mentioned already. So there is the front boot. Again, it's got the official Porsche protector, which was fitted in there from new, so underside is all new. It's got a tyre, gel, all the tools, locking wheel bolt in that section, and then under this section it has got the Porsche battery and the Porsche tyre compressor. I won't open it now, but it is all there. There is the front end. It wasn't specced with headlight washers, which makes it look a little bit tidier because it doesn't have those washers sticking out the front bumper there. That was a specific choice. He also didn't spec it with the rear wiper, again to keep that clear silhouette undisturbed. I'll show you the rear spoiler as well. So that is up, that comes up automatically, but you can manually put it up to clean underneath there. As I explained, this car is as new, so there, look under there, it's all super clean. So I'll just put that down there. Now I'll go through all of the the history of this car as well as the full spec. So this is a PDF which is in the file that we put together. This has got the full stamped original service book, 2 keys and invoices as well. So there is the full spec. So as I said, 395 horsepower, 317 foot-pounds of torque, do 60 in 4.4, and it will do 182 miles an hour, 64 litre fuel tank. So it should be good for around 350, 400 miles on a long journey. And there is the full option list, absolutely huge. So just running through to see if I've missed anything. It's got the PTV mechanical locking rear differential system, which makes it very effective as you're leaving corners on full throttle. It has got rev matching in Sport and Sport Plus, so it will rev match, so you don't have to heel and toe, but you can disable that if you want to, I believe. So cruise control system as well, 2-zone climate control. It's got the luggage net in the passenger footwell, which is an option as well. Cup holders, Alcantara roof lining, speed limit display as well, so I'll show you that. It's quite nice that this car's got full leather rather than leather and Alcantara. He wanted it to be always look very, very good. Alcantara can look a bit scuffed at times when it's folded in different areas, and also it absorbs grease, which is fully cleanable. It's a very durable material, but this car just has an added level of opulence, having that full leather, extended leather interior, I should say, all across there. The electrical adjustable steering column as well, GT Sport steering wheel, 505 watt BOSE system, full Apple CarPlay, and yeah, I think that's everything on there. Then I have 2 pages which break that down into areas, so then you can very quickly see what it's got in the interior, exterior wise. And then we do a full diagnostics check on the car. So we plug it into PWIS 3, we check the operating hours to check the average speed is reasonable, to make sure it hasn't been clocked, and then we check all of the options that you saw on the previous page, as well as the VIN number electronically and also physically in the car, and also on the paperwork, engine number. In fact, the colours of everything is all unaltered from new. So it's supplied November 2021 by Porsche Colchester, serviced by them September 2023, and then September 2025 Reason Porsche, who are a fantastic Porsche specialist based in Ipswich, and they were local to the first owner. They did the second service, so that's oil, pollen filter, brake fluid, spark plugs, and they checked the drive belt as well, and that's all stamped in the service book. So that is all up to date. So I was going to show you, well, first of all, you've got that lovely dial which does the different modes, but then which shows up there. When you also press the switchable suspension, it also comes up on there, and then also you can have obviously your temperatures. You've got the speed limit display, which also has its own page if you just want that with no distractions. You've got the performance, so when you are going through the revs, it will show you how much of the power you are actually utilising, well, how much of the torque, I should say. G-forces and also maximum G-forces are stored there. Gear change assist, so that shows you what gear you're in and also will sort of give you the optimum time to change. So basically advice along the way, guidance, so it will flash different colours. You've got the Chrono, so you can start the stopwatch through that one. Tyre pressure monitoring as well, so constant monitoring of all the tyre pressures, and then you've got trip meters and things. You can have the map there and you can zoom in and out on that, and then also on this screen you can check the oil level, which as you can see is absolutely bang on, and then you can also check when the services are due. So the next service is due September 2027, and the oil change is also due at the same time in 19,100 miles. So everything is as it should be. It's an absolutely beautiful example. You'd struggle to find one as new as this because it has just been looked after by that one owner who's been absolutely fastidious. I went to his beautiful double garage where it was stored. It was undercover with a soft cover, and he's kept all of those original Porsche protective mats in the cabin as well as in the front and rear boots, and then he had it fully ceramic coated. So there is the sticker that shows it was the Carbon Collective ceramic coating system, so that coats everything. And then he's obviously had that front PPF done from new as well. So the paintwork is in glorious as new condition. Super nice in that lovely blue. So there you have it, a beautiful 718 Cayman GTS 4 litre manual in Dolomite Silver. If you are interested in this beautiful Porsche Cayman GTS 4 litre, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.